Everyone wants to look beautiful. So, in today's video, I am going to tell you 3 face packs which will make you beautiful naturally. And we are going to make these face packs from kitchen ingredients. If you use these face packs regularly, you can get rid of many skin problems such as dull skin, pimples, dark spots, pigmentation, etc. Let's see oily skin face pack. Take 1 spoon of gram flour. Add 1 pinch of turmeric to it. Then add 1 teaspoon of honey to it. Then add 2 teaspoons of curd to it and mix it well. Now your face pack is ready. Apply this face pack all over your face, excluding eyes. Curd and honey gives moisture to your skin. Now put wet cotton balls on your eyes and relax. When face pack is dry, moisten it with some water and scrub it this way. Then wash it with water. Turmeric is antibacterial and gram flour helps to get rid of dead skin cells. This pack helps to reduce pimples as well. Now wash your face and see the beautiful glow on your face. Then pat dry your face with clean towel and then apply your regular moisturizer. And apply this face pack twice a week. Now let's see a detan face pack. Take 1 teaspoon of coffee. Then add 1 teaspoon of rice flour to it. Then add 1 teaspoon of honey. Then add 2 teaspoons of curd to it. Now mix it well. This face pack you can apply twice a week. Now mix it well and your face pack is ready. Now apply this face pack all over your face except eyes. Coffee has anti-aging properties. Coffee and rice flour work together to remove suntan and helps to brighten your skin. Honey and curd gives moisture to the skin. Now put wet cotton balls or wet tissue papers on your eyes and relax. When face pack is dry in this way, wash it off. You can use this face pack on your other body parts as well, like hands, neck, to remove suntan. Now pat dry your face with clean towel and then apply your regular moisturizer. Our third face pack is suitable for all skin types. Take 3-4 strands of saffron. Crush it with your fingers. Then add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel to it. Mix it well till aloe vera gel gets yellow color of saffron. If you keep it this way for a while, it takes a brilliant yellow color. Now your face pack is ready. Now apply this face pack all over your face except eyes. Aloe vera is very much beneficial for your skin. Aloe vera moisturizes the skin and nourishes it. Saffron brightens your skin. Always use processed aloe vera gel. If you directly use aloe vera leaf, then there are chances of allergic reaction. Apply the face pack all over your face and neck. Then put wet cotton balls or wet tissue papers on your eyes and relax for 20 minutes. When pack is semi-dry in this way, then moisten it with water and massage it this way. And then wash it off with water. And now see a beautiful glow on your face. Now pat dry your face with clean towel and apply your regular moisturizer. You can use this face pack twice a week. So, these were our super easy face packs. If you like this video, then please press the like button and also subscribe to the channel. Also click on the bell icon so every time I post a new video, you will get a notification. Do comment and tell me which face pack you like the most. Thank you.